Sudhir. I'm from Chennai. I did my bachelor's in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, which is affiliated to Anna University. And regarding ILS, right from the starting from the university shortlisting until then reviewing my SOP and various rounds of editorials were actually really good. And these advisors were really good in actually answering my queries uh, from application process. Then at the end, to the decisions which came from the universities. Now I was actually lucky to have Padma Priya ma'am as my advisor. She was really helpful and she responded immediately to my queries, and it was really a professional experience at ELS. Thank you.